To replace this dome light cover, go from the passenger side of it, and with a trim tool or whatever you have that you can get in here with, go ahead and pop it straight down and out like this, and then just wiggle it out of place. It kind of hooks into the rest of the assembly here. At this point you would want to change your bulb if needed. It would be a good idea. Maybe put an LED in. If not, go ahead and place this one in, and it kind of hinges up like this, and it presses right into place. Just like that.